Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been performing transaction on Solana wallet before, you can now claim some of your gas fee back to your wallet. Like if you have been performing some transaction on your wallet before, something like this, you have been performing transaction like this on your wallet before, you can now claim some of your gas fee back to your wallet. And if you haven't started yet, you can download the app from your Play Store or App Store. Just go to your Play Store, search for software wallets, then download the app, open. You can import your wallet or create a new account in case you don't have. But if you have an account in other wallets, in other place before, you can import it on this software wallet and start using it to send token, receive token, stake or swap. Any transaction you did that requires gas fee, you will be able to claim part of the gas fee every month back to your wallet. But if you don't have Solana wallet before to import, I will drop video on it on how you can create Solana wallet or any other wallet. I will drop the video in this channel, so subscribe to this channel so you won't miss it. What you have to do is to go to your browser, use Chrome, and search for claim your sol.com, and you can see it here. Click on it. Then what you have to do now, connect the wallet you have been using to perform the transaction, maybe Phantom wallet or software wallet, so any one of them you have been using. Click on connect. Now you need to choose the wallet, whether Phantom wallet or software wallet. Two of them is still Solana wallet, so I will use software wallet just now. Then connect. So now what you have to do, as you can see, share your link to your friends and in 20% of any token they claim. So you have to do now is claim yours now. Claim, choose the same wallet, connect software wallet just now. Confirm, slide to approve, just confirm here. You have successfully claimed your Solana, your gas fee, some of your gas fees. You can now go and check. You have successfully claimed some of your gas fee back to your wallet now. So here is it. This is the transaction here. It depends on how much you have spent on the gas fee while performing transaction, like swap, transfer or any other one. It depends. If you have been using it for a very long time now, then you can go and claim. You can see $2, $3, $10, $20, depends on how you have been using the platform before. With transaction like transfer, swap, buy, hold, all this, any transaction you have been performing, you can, here is to swap, to send, just performing transaction, hold, any transaction that requires gas fee counts for you there. And after that, you can also go and disconnect the site from your wallet if you don't feel like leaving your wallet connected to the site. So what you have to do is to go to setting here, then go to manage apps and more, security and privacy here, and here you can see manage apps here. Go to, and you can see all the sites that are connected to your wallet, so you can disconnect them, connect them, remove or disconnect. Just anyone you want disconnect and disconnect all. After that, if you have performed another task, like claim the token again, maybe next month, you can also go and disconnect. So, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.